You're about to see one of the nicest brand new construction communities around Savannah, Georgia. Welcome to Ramsey Landing. This is built by Smith Family Home. This is a builder that's been in business for a while, since 1992. They have multiple communities around Savannah. And in my opinion, this is the nicest community that they have available right now. So you can pick between 12 different floor plans. The homes come with either 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, and 6 bedrooms. Some of them are single story, some of them are 2-story. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I wanna drive around the community to show you and explain to you a few things you need to know before considering this. We're gonna talk about the HOA, the amenities, the schools, Rincon, Georgia in general, which is part of the Savannah metro area, and things you need to know if you're considering buying a brand new construction home. So let's do it. Now for context, the price range of these communities is from $387,900 all the way to about $493,000 and some change. You can see the different styles of floor plans that they have. They also have 2-story homes, single-story homes, like I said. I like that they have the brick on that side. You can see the distance, right, between that home and the next home that they're going to build here. That is way bigger than the majority of Richmond Hill, Pooler, and Savannah. Now, if you're wondering, yes, you can have your own privacy fence like they did right there. Now, let me show you what I mean when I say the spacing between homes. Check this out. Now, here's what I mean when I say spacing between homes. You have longer driveways. Beautiful home right there. Okay, look at the space between homes. This is Ramsey Landing, gated community, by the way. They do have an HOA. It is $100 a month. They don't have an actual pool right now. I heard that they are actually planning on building more amenities. I did hear that they do have access to some of the, they do have access to a creek for canoeing, kayaking, and things like that as well. Now I want to take 2 minutes and show you the neighborhood. Let's drive around and pay attention to the screen because I want to share with you some facts that you need to know about Rincon, Georgia, and also about Ramsey Landing. Right after this, I'll take you to 2 homes and we're going to break down some numbers. Let's do it. All right, now I'm gonna drive back to where the new constructions are, and I wanna show you 2 different floor plans. Then we're gonna break down some numbers using different type of loans, different down payments. That way you have an idea of how much the mortgage payment would be based on today's interest rate, right? In 2026, the number one problem that I'm having is wrong expectations when it comes to the down payment and mortgage payment, okay? People get surprised, people get disappointed, and it's my job to disappoint you quickly rather than drag it out. So let's do it. All right, this is called the Grayson floor plan, all right? It is a 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and it has 2,447 square feet. And of course, a 2-car garage and 2 stories. Now, let me tell you a few things. For example, they do come with LVP flooring. They have spray foam insulation in the roof deck. You can choose in the kitchen between quartz countertop and granite countertops. And by the way, the granite countertops is the standard. Now, here's a primary bedroom in case you're wondering. And of course, they do have floor plans that have the master bedroom or the primary bedroom on the 2nd floor if that's what you're looking for. Now, let me share with you some details about different mortgage payments options that you have. Keep in mind, by the way, interest rates always change, and you can also buy down your interest rate. And if you use a preferred lender of the builder, they're also going to give you a better interest rate. So VA loan, 0% down payment. You're looking at a mortgage payment of $2,875 on a home like this. Now, obviously, that's only if you use the interest rate of the lender, which is 5.5% as of today. Now, let me give you a normal interest rate based on an FHA loan of 3.5% down payment. So if you use an FHA loan with 3.5% down payment, you're looking at $14,767 down payment. And then your mortgage would be $3,189 a month. That is based on an interest rate of 6.31 at the moment that I'm recording this. Now, this other floor plan is called the Stone Crest, okay? It's a 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and 3,081 square feet, okay? 2-car garage, 2-story home. Now, if you're wanting to put down 20% on a home like this, you're looking at $95,980 for the down payment. And then your mortgage would be $3,046 a month, okay? Now, keep in mind, if you use a preferred lender, of course, they're going to give you a better rate. Therefore, you're going to save money every single month. Now, worthy of mentioning is this. I work with every single builder around the Savannah area. I've been doing it for many years, and I specialize in helping people just like you from out of the state relocate to this area. So if you want to check out some new construction home, whenever you're in town, send me a text message or call me. I have my own incentives that I can help you with. I have a great relationship with all of them, and I can find you a good deal. Okay, so do that, and let's get moving on. You know what? Let me show you something very interesting about this one. It has a huge pantry, and by the way, it has one of the best storage that I've seen inside of the master bedroom, which is very unique. Let me show you. This is the loft area, but if I walk this way, you're gonna notice the primary bedroom or the master bedroom is right here. Now, you can see the size, very decent, okay? I think it's nice. Some of the other floor plans have way bigger than this one, but I guess this one is also nice. So you have the double vanity, you have the tub in the middle, which is something that, some people love, some people hate, but it is what it is. Now, there is a mystery around this one that I'm about to show you in a second. Keep paying attention. So if I go this way from the bathroom, you're gonna notice the closet right here, which is also huge, by the way. So you have a big closet right there. And then if I open this door, look at this. All of this storage for you, for all of the decoration, everything. I wish I had that in my own house. This is beautiful. Let's take a look at the rest of the house. You're gonna notice also carpet on the second floor. I mean, it is what it is. Keep in mind, guys, you can always do those upgrades later, but the builder is probably going to charge you more money if they do it themselves than if you shop around and do it yourself after closing. So it's up to you. This is the main bathroom and then the last bedroom. Let me tell you about the proximity from this location to other areas. For example, the supermarket is only about 5 to 6 minutes away. You can go to Kroger. There's also a public supermarket about 7 or 8 minutes. If you wanted to go to the Walmart, it would also be about 10 to 12 minutes. And from here to the Tanger outlets in Pooler, which is the area where most people buy, it's about 20 minutes driving. Now, if you're concerned about how far the hospital is from Ramsey Landing, you're talking about 12 to 13 minutes driving. So that's actually close by, in my opinion. Now, if you wanted to go to the downtown area, because maybe you enjoy the weekends in a city, then you're talking about 35 minutes driving from Ramsey Landing all the way to the River Street area, or you could, go to Forsyth and so forth. Now, if you wanted to go to Tybee Island, which is the beach around here, that's gonna be about 1 hour driving. Now, let's talk about the schools for a second, because I know if you have kids, obviously that is very important. So elementary school, they have a rating of 8 out of 10 for the most part. And then the middle school and high school, they have a rating of 6 out of 10. Now, check this out. In my opinion, and I guess the opinion of almost everybody around here, Effingham County, right? Effingham County, which is Guyton, Rincon, Springfield, they have a better school district than Chatham County, Georgia, which is where Pooler is, Savannah, Port Wentworth, Georgetown, all of that. Now, I'm not saying that the schools are the worst in Chatham County. They obviously have a bunch of horrible schools in terms of rating, but they do have good schools as well to some degree, so you have to look for them. Now, if you really wanted the best school districts around the Savannah, Georgia metro area, you have to consider Richmond Hill, Georgia. Okay, Richmond Hill is part of Bryan County. Okay, Bryan County, Richmond Hill, they are known for being a small town, similar to Rincon. Rincon has a higher population though, but Richmond Hill has the best school districts in the area. Now, let me tell you about run expectations when dealing with a builder like this. A lot of people ask the following questions. Is the price negotiable? The answer is yes, to some degree, and it really depends on the amount of inventory that they have, and it also depends on if you're using the preferred lender or not. Yes, you can submit the offer, but keep in mind, you're not going to get the same home for $50,000, $40,000, $30,000 cheaper for no reason. Very, very unlikely. This is it. I mean, there's not much to talk about when it comes to the price. Now, a lot of people also want to find out, can you use your own lender and still get the same incentives? And I can tell you that I have never seen that happening, at least not in the last, I don't know, maybe 6 years or so. Very unlikely. Again, in order for you to get away with those things is because the builder is definitely very desperate. They barely have any sales and they are doing everything it takes to get a sale, which is not the case in Savannah. The Savannah, Georgia market is very, very good right now, very healthy. There is plenty of new constructions. People are buying. At any time, there's over 500 homes under contract in this small market, okay? So yes, another question is this, can you make changes to the floor plan? Let's say you like the floor plan, but you want them to either remove a wall or make a room bigger or change the kitchen layout. The answer is no, they're not going to do that for you. This is a spec builder. You can also, though, you can make your own changes when it comes to the color if you are buying from, if you're going under contract from scratch, meaning you choose your own lot, they give you a design appointment, you get to choose the color of the flooring, the color of the cabinets, countertops, things like that. If you want a custom builder, you have to buy your own land, find a builder that is custom, and then take it from there. All of these spec builders in Savannah, right? The Savannah, Georgia metro area, which is Chatham County, Bryan, and Effingham. They are not going to be customizing the home or the layouts for you like you want to. Yes, they give you options in colors and upgrades, but they're not going to be customizing everything that you want. Now, here's another thing that people ask. Let's say that they're building the home and it takes 6 to 7 months to completion. If that's the case, when do you have to start paying the mortgage? You only pay the mortgage after you close on the home, okay? You don't have to be paying anything besides the deposit, which is my next point, but you don't have to be paying any loans or anything like that, okay? Spec builders, they own the land and they own the home until they actually give you the keys. So they are the owners of the property until they give you the keys. So keep that in mind. Also, when it comes to the deposit, yes, it is negotiable. Sometimes it's 2% of the purchase price. Sometimes it's just a flat fee of $5,000. It could be $10,000. It really depends on a lot of things. All of these builders, they normally meet either once a week or once a month, and they make changes to the incentives. This builder is definitely offering incentives, so they give you better interest rate. If you use a preferred lender, they're going to give you either closing costs, they give you some type of upgrade that you could choose from. You can negotiate anything, but the main point is that you have to use a preferred lender. They're not going to just give you incentives for the sake of giving you incentives and that's it. If you're thinking of moving to Savannah and you want a new construction home, but you don't want to have an HOA, you have to consider buying your own land and get a custom builder. Why? Because all of the subdivisions around here, which by the way, last time that I counted between Chatham, Bryan, Effingham, and Liberty County, there's about 27 brand new developments going on. Every single one of them have an HOA. 100% of them have an HOA, okay? So if you don't want an HOA because you hate them for whatever reason, yes, you can find land and then build your custom home. All right, well, that's it for now. You know what to do. Call me or text me if you need anything, and I'll see you next time.